Happening you dafties, we're back for a new video and we're going to be going over March's 2020 hype sneaker releases. Because it's at the start of the month, I thought I'd update you on everything that is releasing that is up to date now. But if you guys want any updates on what's actually, if any dates have been changed or if there is anything that's coming out that it wasn't mentioned here, this is kind of what he does on his channel. He updates on what is happening. I only have your starting updates, but he will keep you updated throughout, so I'll link it in the description below. So how this works is I will tell you the name of the shoe releasing, the release date of the shoe, the retail price, and the resale predictions. So firstly, on the 5th of March, we have the Jordan 2 multicolours. These are releasing on the sneakers app for $164.95. So because of the higher retail, these aren't going to do well, in my opinion. You're better waiting for like them to go on sale. They're just not an out there colour. Like they're going to be quite hard to match. Although that is some people's style, it's not mine. But I don't think there's going to be much resale here. If you want a pair, I'd pick them up, but you might possibly get them for cheaper later on. So. Also on the 5th of March, we have the Kawhi Leonard New Balance Sunset Packs. These will be releasing for different retails, obviously, for the different actual styles. Definitely I don't sleep for personal, but I don't know if there's going to be much hype around these resale wise, so it's better just to go for them personal if you want a pair. And just in case they do well and they sell out, and then you'll have to buy them later at resale that might be a bit higher. So it's better just to go for them when you can. Also on the 5th of March, we have the white and black Sakai's. These are going to be extremely profitable, only coming in obviously at the retail of £140 coming in at, so they're going to be extremely profitable, so definitely pick up if you're going to go for them. White and black, you can't really go wrong, and plus their Sakai's, they are so nice, they are beautiful. Moving on to the 7th of March, we have the Jordan 3 UNCs. These will be retailing for £150. Don't sleep for personal if you're going for them. I don't think there's going to be much resale behind these again, but if you want them for personal, I definitely get them on release just in case something does happen with it. On the 14th of March, these are looking beautiful. It is the Racer Blue Jordan 1s. These will be retailing for £140. There is going to be decent profit under size 7s and with the higher sizes as well, like above a 10. I'm definitely going for these. They look insane. And again on the 14th of March, we have the SB Dunk Safaris. These might be retailing for £80. That might slightly be wrong, but that's the information I've got now. These will be extremely profitable because they have the lower retail on them as well. And again on the 14th of March, we have the Desert Sage Yeezy 350 V2s. These will be retailing for £180. There will be decent profit, again under 7s and like 14s, etc. Definitely something to go for. It's just Yeezys, you know, the resale, there is always a hit or miss, but these ones are predicted to do well. On the 21st of March, we also have the Yeezy Cinders 350 V2s. These will be dropping for £170. The resale will kind of be similar to the Desert Stages, so definitely a copy if you're going to go for them, or if you wanted to go for them and we're unsure. You're better getting them now, especially if they're for personals, because they probably will be higher later on. Lastly, on the 21st of March, we have the Jordan 4 Neons. These will be retailing for £175, but definitely don't sleep for personals because there was a lot of people kind of sought after these, especially after the Air Maxes that were dropped in the same colourway. On the 25th of March, this is subject to change. Again, check out Keith Adam to get an update. These are the Yeezy 380 Miss. Finally, after a lot of speculation and moving about, these are meant to be releasing on the date, on the 25th of March, for the retail of £250, so it is a higher retail, but they're going to be extremely profitable because they've been hyped up so much. Nearing the end, on the 28th of March, we have the Fire Red Jordan 5s. Fire Red Jordan 5s, these will be dropping for £170. These have the Nike Air on the back, which is also a nice touch, but I don't think there's going to be much resale here, so again, go for personals, but don't expect resale on them. We have a more hype shoe releasing kind of subject to change later in March. It is the Travis Scott Cactus Jack Air Max 270 Reacts. These will be dropping for £248. Again, these will perform amazing, not as well as these previous, but they will still do amazing, so if you're looking for some quick buck, these are something to go for. They are nice looking as well, so if you want them for personal, I'd go for it. It's a cop. Thank you guys for staying for another video. If you guys liked the video, like and subscribe. That genuinely means so much to me. you don't even understand. Again, check out Keith Adam if he's needing any updates, just because I don't upload as much as I should right now, but I'm working on it. I keep saying that. Give me time. Lastly, if you guys want to follow my Instagrams, again, the script is Jack_Nisbet and Diabetus_shoes. And well, good luck with the copying, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.